Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really going to focus on speed and value.
That's right.
We're looking at those first spoilers for the FabFitFun Winter Box 2025. Specifically, the early add-ons. The things that just vanish instantly.
Oh, yeah, they sell out fast. And our mission today,
It's really to figure out the money strategy behind this list. What are they actually doing here?
and it's quite a strategy they've got going. I mean, looking at these 16 picks,
Yeah.
there's a definite, undeniable lean towards two things.
Okay.
Ultra luxury stuff, designed to catch your eye.
Yeah.
And then these really deep discounts, almost certainly to lock people in.
So gifting season focus, but with a twist.
Exactly. It really asks you, are you buying the fancy name or are you buying the incredible bargain, prestige or pure liquidation value?
Okay, let's unpack that. Starting with the really high-end one, the peak luxury.
The big one.
The Augustinus Bader 12-day advent calendar. Retail value. What is it? $585.
Yep, $585 retail. Members can get it for $415, which is still, a lot.
A lot. And it's the whole countdown thing. Creams, serums, oils, the works.
It's got that TFC8 tech everyone talks about, big celebrity following, true prestige item.
But isn't that a risk? Putting something that expensive out there could alienate people just looking for fun, cheaper stuff?
Well, that's where it gets clever, I think. The Bader calendar is the hook, right? For the high spenders, maybe gets them to renew.
Ah.
But look what else is there. They immediately balance it. You've got effective, but way more accessible beauty right alongside it.
Like what?
Well, there's the Dr. Dennis Gross Retinol Overnight Treatment. That's, $87 retail. Good stuff. Gentle renewal while you sleep.
Right, still a known brand, but not hundreds of dollars.
Exactly. And then there's the Foreo Luna Play 2 cake, that little cleansing device.
Oh, yeah, the small one.
Yeah, only $39 retail. Uses those T-Sun pulsations, so you see. They hit prestige, practical, and kind of trendy all at once.
Gotcha. Okay, so from aspirational spending, let's flip to the crazy deal side, the steal.
This is where it gets really interesting.
We have got to talk about the Oatada mini anchor bags.
Oh, definitely.
Two styles, premium Italian leather, water resistant. Retail is listed between $535 and $575.
Yeah, $535 to $575.
And the member price?
$41.
$41 each. I mean, that gap is just massive. Is that retail value even real? Or is this just FFF clearing out old stock?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Or maybe the $500 question here. You have to assume it's a strategic loss leader.
A loss leader.
Yeah. They're likely losing money on each bag at $41. But the point isn't the bag itself. The insight is why they're doing it.
Okay.
They pull in the luxury crowd with the Bader name. That high price tag creates buzz. And then they drop this insane $500 plus value bag deal.
Could catch everyone else.
Exactly. It guarantees renewals. It captures the pure bargain hunter who might have been on the fence. It's honestly a brilliant tactical play.
Wow. Okay. That really connects the dots. Prestige hook, value anchor.
Pretty much.
And looking at other accessories, it kind of fits. Like the Brea Jane watches.
Yeah.
$195 retail.
Those oval designs.
Yeah. Elegant mother of pearl dials.
Yeah.
Seems like a safe, professional kind of gift. There's that tethered collection, too, with the mesh bracelet.
Right. Fills that nice gift category perfectly. Not too wild, but feels substantial.
So after hitting the skincare and accessory extremes, they move into, like, classic holiday stuff.
Yeah. Fulfilling that core holiday gifting need. The home items are pure seasonal comfort.
Like the in a roundhouse baking dish, the one with the bow design.
Yeah.
$60 retail.
Yeah, cute, right?
Yeah.
Practical, but with a bit of elegance. Perfect hostess gift. Hits that spot.
And the scents definitely scream holiday. We've also got two options.
Distinct vibes.
There's the Noble Fir Garland Reed Diffuser. That's cedar, cardamom, amber. Sounds sophisticated.
Yeah, more of that evergreen, woodsy holiday scent. Lasts a while, too, with the diffuser.
And then the other one, the Voluspa Gingerbread Chalet Candle. That's pure festive sweetness, right? Cinnamon, clove.
Totally. Classic gingerbread, sweet holiday notes. So they've got the sophisticated and the cozy sweet covered, something for pretty much any holiday shopper's taste.
It really feels like they're trying to cover all the bases for gifting.
They are, but this list forces a realization, I think.
What's that?
Those high-ticket items, like the Bader calendar, even if most people don't buy them, they set the perceived value for the entire box. They make everything else seem like a better deal by comparison.
Interesting point. So, okay, wrapping this up for you, the listener, What does this all mean? We've seen the huge range, right? From a nearly $600 advent calendar.
All the way down to a 41 Italian leather bag that supposedly retails for over $500.
So when you look at this list, you really need to figure out your own motivation.
Yeah.
Are you aiming for that prestige item, the big splurge? Or are you looking to exploit these strategic deals, these loss leaders?
And maybe the real question this box makes you ask isn't just, what should I pick? It's more, are these super high value items, the ones that sell out in seconds, actually warping your sense of value for everything else you might buy this holiday season? Do they make normal mid-range prices suddenly feel not good enough, something to think about?